Hi babes, welcome back to a new video. Today I'm going to be showing you how I did my nails, kind of like a nail vlog. I've never done this before. Let me know if you like it. I wanted to try something new, and also I've been sick, so I just honestly haven't vlogged or done anything. But I managed to do my nails over the course of a few days and I filmed it for you. So I've tried to put as much of the product and kind of the steps that I take on screen, but I wouldn't say this is like a tutorial because I am not a professional and I feel like I'm still like learning myself. But I wanted to have this video out so that either you can watch me do my nails if you want to know how I do my nails and you want to know what products I use. And definitely let me know if you want me to do this more often and try like different types of designs. But if you don't care that much about me doing my nails, I'm also just going to be talking in this video, updating you on where I've been, because I'm sure you can hear from my voice that I have been sick. So I hope you enjoyed this video either way. And yeah, let's just get into it. So first of all, as you can tell, I have been sick. So I ended up getting COVID. I don't know how I got COVID because I literally never leave my apartment, but I got COVID. My mom got COVID. We've been sick. I'm definitely at the end now. I've been recovering. And today is like the first day I actually felt like I had enough energy to even sit here, like record this. But yeah, I've had COVID for the past week and I literally have been so sick, but we are still alive. We are here and I am back. So basically, as you can tell, I'm doing my nails and like I said, I'm not a professional. So I wanted to like tell you guys how I started kind of doing my nails, because the first time I like tried to do my own nails, I was like 15. So I feel like this is not something new to me personally. But definitely this technique is newer. I started out with like acrylic and I tried gel and everything, and I feel like all of that was quite difficult, but now I do the Gel X, like a prey nail system, technique, whatever you want to call it. I kind of saw this when I was introduced to my last nail tech, which she ended up getting pregnant and like kind of going on maternity leave and not coming back to like doing clients. But this technique is what she did, and I kind of like learned from watching her do my nails. And then when she stopped doing them, I got everything myself and I started doing them, and this is what I've been using. Now, as you can see, these tips are really long because I used to be into really long nails. But as soon as I run out of these, I'm definitely gonna get them in a smaller size. But I love the shape that these have. And they're from Apres Nails. They were expensive though, but honestly, I think the quality is so good and I'm obsessed. So yeah, what else would I want to say? I'm going to link my Pinterest nail board in the description because that's where I save most of my nail inspo. Not everything, but most of it. So if you need any inspo, you can go down there. I usually kind of scroll through it and then get inspo from that. It's never the exact same, but I like to just kind of have an idea of what I want to do, and I've been trying to practice my French tip. What else? I mean, I'll get back to vlogging once I'm 100% better again. I feel like I think it's kind of a sign from the universe that I need to like take care of myself. Like getting sick was like a slap in the face, and I was like, shit, I really need to like behave and take care of myself. So I'm focusing on that right now, and in the meantime I just want to have a lot of fun creating for you guys. So I'm not sure when the next vlog will be, but it's definitely not the end of the vlogs. I just need a little bit of time to recover from this. But let me know what you guys think of this video so far. It's definitely different, and I feel like maybe because I'm watching it as I'm recording this right now, I feel like maybe I could try different angles. But this was really like my first time trying to properly film me doing my nails and like somewhat be able to demonstrate. But again, it's really not a tutorial. It's kind of just like you can just watch me do it. I will leave links to all, if not most of the products I'm using down below, or like similar products that you would need if you want to get a little like at-home kit, because this basically is like my at-home kit. Sorry, I can't talk. So here I start filing. I didn't really record much of me filing because I literally sliced into my skin twice and started bleeding, and I was like, okay, let me just do this off camera because I get so aggressive and rough because, like, I don't know, I want it to be perfect. And like some of the nails I still didn't even like, which is also why I ended up only kind of doing one hand for this video. Next video I will do both, I promise. I kind of just like, it's because I've been sick, so I couldn't do it like in one session. I did this in like 3 to 4 days, I think. First day I removed my old nails. Second day I did a new set. But here you can see I shaped the nails, cleaning up the cuticles. I actually did pretty good with not spilling any of the gel from like the forearm or the tip, so I didn't have to file up too much. But yeah, my technique gets better every single time I do my nails, and it's definitely not perfect, but I feel like it's good enough. And like, I don't know, I've been really enjoying doing my nails again, and it's nice to have like pretty nails because I'd been biting my nails and they just looked so bad. I was like, I need to like take care of myself. And it's also kind of therapeutic. Like, I can sit there and just like paint on a French for like an hour, and it's so calming. But yeah. I like going in with this builder in a bottle. I use it to apply the tips, and then I also like to put it on top because it really helps kind of blend in that, like, your cuticle and your nail and the tip and everything together. It just looks really good. In the meantime, I'm drinking some iced coffee, and I'm thinking about what else I wanted to mention. I think that's kind of it. I'm just doing my nails, just in speed. Yeah, I mean, let me know if you guys would want to see this like every month. I feel like it would be kind of a cute concept because I do really want to like force myself to put in the time to do my nails every month, because it's just a bit of self-care that I feel like I need to like do for myself. And I guess it would be fun to like film it every month. What am I saying? Film it every month and kind of have like a new design to work on every month. And I can like practice different things. I mean, I'm really not the best painter, but the French tip I've been practicing for probably like a year now. I've been trying to just, and I want to like freehand it. I've tried some like tricks, but I really want to like get it perfect free-handed. So I don't know, it's just a thing that I'm into. But definitely you're gonna see a lot of French tips just because I think it looks really pretty. And maybe I'll do like longer next time, or I'll go a bit shorter. I can also film when I'm doing my mom's nails because, well, my mom's still sick right now, so I'm not gonna do her nails just yet. But I do like a little builder in a bottle set on my mom with like a French tip. Oh, this is where I actually knocked my nail right before I put it in the lamp. But yeah, I can definitely also show you guys how I do my mom's nails because it's a lot more natural and like less product. So this is the shine top coat. I actually recently got all of this new because it had gone so clumpy and disgusting. So now that I have like a new top coat, like as soon as that top layer goes on, like it just is perfect. Like it brings everything together. And yeah, I just sit there and do my nails, and like I'll watch like a show or like I don't know, listen to music, and it's just so therapeutic. Here I added a gem. I just had some of these left over. I bought a bunch of these like a while ago from AliExpress because they're like super cheap. I'm surprised it's actually still on. I thought it was gonna fall off faster, but it's still on there. Had it for a few days, and I just thought this would be cute to add. And just slowly adding all the French tips. And like I said, I'm only gonna finish off this one nail. I did the other, or not nail, this one hand on the video. I did my other hand off camera, and like I don't even like how all of the nails turned out. I was just kind of playing around with that one because I was using my non-dominant hand, which is still a struggle for me. But yeah, this is kind of how the nails turned out. Cute. I think I have the thumb left to do, and I literally had to like twist and turn to like get the right angle. But as soon as I did this, I felt like I kind of had like a good angle to do my thumb nail. So there's me. I never really do voiceovers, but I think they're actually going to be nice, especially for moments like this when I just haven't really vlogged. And I have feeling like poo-poo because I've been sick. But I want you guys to still be able to kind of keep up with me and see the little things that I'm doing, even if I'm not vlogging. So yeah, just adding the last top coat. You can also definitely do this like at the end, but I like to kind of do it per note. These are the nails. This is how it turned out. I did some cuticle oil. I don't know how to do like shots of my hands. This is also still a work in progress, but here we go. Ooh, some effects. Cool. I thought it looked cool with the lamp. I don't know. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you in my next one. I love you so much. And yeah.